Hi everyone, in this set of videos we will see together how to approach and perform a bilayer lift-off process. So here we'll just give you a brief introduction. In the next set of videos we will see how to design a bilayer lift-off stack, how to fabricate it, how to pattern with the NanoFrazor, how to develop, and then how to image after development to make sure the development was successful, and then how to perform a lift-off. So first of all, what is a bilayer lift-off process? It's a process which uses PPA as top layer, and we have a underlayer of a lift-off resist. The bilayer lift-off process is usually if you want to have a pattern of an evaporated thin film of materials, and because of its wet development process, we have a minimum feature that can be obtained of around 100 nanometers, and it's a process that's usually used in case the layer directly under the resist is sensitive to oxygen plasma exposure. So how does the process work? Well, after we fabricate our sample, we pattern with the NanoFrazor into the PPA. Then we perform a development wet etching process, which is an isotropic etching. Then we perform an evaporation of our metals, and then we do a lift-off. We can find more details in our recipe book about the bilayer lift-off process. We can go to this chapter, and I really recommend you to read the recipe book and these specific chapters in case you're going to do a bilayer lift-off process, because this will solve you many issues or will avoid facing typical issues and problems of the process. And it's a very short read. Also, you see in 4 or 5 pages you're done, and you have all the ingredients experimental ingredients, and also some information about the design that will really help you. So we can see that we have here an introduction and the properties of the typically used resists for the lift-off bilayer lift-off process, which are PMGI, PMMA. From our experience, PMMA is the one that's mostly used. And then depending on the underlayer that you use, if you use PMMA, we have sample pretreatment and fabrication, and then wet development and lift-off. Or if you're using a PMGI, we have the same kind of descriptions with all the experimental details that you need, with also some comments and notes on the limitation of the process. Moreover, you can also find at the end of our recipe book the spin coating tables of the polymers that you'll need. So for sure PPA, depending on the PPA that you get, if it's from polymer solution or all resist, and the spin coating tables for PMMA and PMGI. So this is just an introduction. We will see more in the next video, starting from the design of the bilayer lift-off process. And thank you for watching.